Welcome to the next lesson, real-world application of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has a variety of real-world application in the field of conversational AI, including ChatGPT can be used by develop chatbots for customer services, sales, and other applications. The model ability to generate human-like text makes it well suited for customer services. Okay, then we have virtual assistants. The ChatGPT can be used to develop virtual assistants by its model. The model real-time text generation capabilities make it ideal for handling tasks. Okay, content generation, so it can be used for generating articles, summaries, responses to questions, etc. This can be useful for applications such as news aggregators, Q&A systems, customer support chatbots, and ChatGPT can be one language to another, making it useful for applications such as we mentioned before. Sentiment analytics. For social media posts, this can be useful for applications such as customer sentiment analytics and market research. In summary, ChatGPT has a range of real-world application in the field of conversational AI. So then we have chatbots. These are computer programs designed to stimulate conversational with human beings. They can be used for a variety of purposes including customer services, sales, and entertainment. They can generate human-like text, allowing them to respond to users in a way that is natural and understandable. This makes them well suited for handling customer inquiries and provide them with their needs. They can be used for a specific tone or voice, which is good. This allows developers to tailor the chatbot to their specific requirements and create more effective conversational AI application. Additionally, the real-time text generation capabilities of ChatGPT can make it good for this job. Overall, ChatGPT provides a powerful tool for developing chatbots, human-like text generator. Conversational AI refers to use of artificial intelligence technology to create human-like text. The goal of conversational AI is to create applications that can be understood by humans. So this is a type of conversational AI model that is capable of generating human-like text in real time. This makes it well suited for virtual assistants, as we mentioned, chatbots and content generator create. Conversational AI has a wide range of real-world applications, like all customer service based. By allowing for human-like conversational between computer and people, conversational AI has the potential to make people jobless. Overall, conversational AI is a rapidly growing field that has text generation is made like human based in some architecture and calculation, and is good also for conversational generation. It's a type of text generation model that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text in real time. It uses a transformer architecture and has been trained on vast text that is coherent, grammatical, and simple. So text generation can be useful for a variety of applications. Like we mentioned before, by allowing for automatic generation of natural text, he has really potential growth in the next years. So as we see, text generation is a rapid growing field that is transforming the way we interact. A strong professional network can have a huge impact on the career and business opportunities that come your way. It is an important tool for communication and has a wide on global business, education, and also travel. ChatGPT is a type of language transition one language to another. So it's going to it can generate translations that are semantically and grammatically correct. So we might not need Google Translate. Language translation models like ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific use cases like translator and other things. This allows for multiple applications with the help of AI. So this is the end of lesson. See you on the next one.